demonstrate how to auscultate the heart on a dog. I'm gonna use Ringo for that. You wanna make sure that you put your stethoscope. The earpieces need to be facing forward like your ears so that you can hear. You want to make sure to use the bigger cup for a dog this size. And you wanna go right by the elbow. You want to do a counterclockwise motion to make sure that there's no abnormal sounds all around. In Ringo, you can hear he has sinus arrhythmia, which is not a real arrhythmia. Is his heart slows down and goes faster as he breathes, which is a normal thing for big dogs. And his heart sounds pretty good. There's no murmurs and there's no other things that I could hear. Thank you.